Yes, this is exactly what I want. Nobody could get me this curl up to the root.
Hi dear, where you come from?
From Laka.
From Laka.
Yes.
Okay, tell me what you want to get from your hair.
I want my hair to be curl, follow my my root curl, and I want it to have more volume.
Okay. Because I saw your hair is quite clear also, and your hair very often to do like rebonding and relaxing, so it's quite risky to perm curl as well. Okay. I think you also have inquired some places to perm your hair as well.
Yeah.
Tell me like what you see from our page, you want to get the result as well.
I saw from your page that you normally even their hair is dry and multiple rebonding, straightening and all, but then you still manage to get what they want. So that's why I came from Laka.
Hi dear, how you think this result is suitable for you? Is you want to achieve the result?
Yes, this is exactly what I want. Nobody could get me this curl up to the root.
How long you sitting here? Since 2 p.m. until now,
yes, like about 5 hours.
About 5 hours.
But it's worth it.
It's worth it.
Yes.
During the process, you feel any heat or feel uncomfortable?
No, it was a very smooth process.